As the night sky above Lahore unfolded in a tapestry of wonder, we brought the magic of light to life. A breathtaking drone light show designed to echo the spirit of the Horse and Cattle Show 2025. Soared across the heavens. Every flicker, every swirl of light painted a story of tradition and innovation. Illuminating the closing ceremony with a dance of brilliance, the energy of the event, the pride of Lahore, now etched in the sky, leaving an indelible mark on all who witnessed it. A moment of pure enchantment, where technology meets legacy, lighting up the future.